Ready for the 2023 NFL season? The offseason can be an exciting time, with new talent being added to the fold and improving the chances of a Super Bowl run. The LA Chargers made several aggressive moves last season, completely reinventing their roster, and now, you can get all the first-hand news about the team by subscribing to the channel and activating the notification bell. But not every offseason is as hectic as the Chargers' offseason in 2022. With unannounced cap space, the team had the ability to be aggressive, but that won't happen in 2023. The salary cap can be confusing, and there are many financial decisions the team will have to make this offseason. However, here is everything a Chargers fan needs to know about the team's financial situation. The Chargers are well above cap space and have $20.3 million less in cap space in 2023. That's without taking into consideration the incoming salaries that will be given to the NFL draft class in 2023. So, who do you think should be released so that we can stay within the salary cap? Comment below players that you agreed could be waived and would not be missed by the team. Don't waste another second and get ready for the 2023 NFL season with the LA Chargers. Subscribe now.